Hello, everyone. This is Sean Lee, the Vice President of Marketing at Pure Romance. And today I wanted to share a quick tip of how you can share links to Pure Romance product pages or blog posts with your commission code already enabled. So this will make it super simple for you to get your commission on any e-commerce sale. And it's great for the customer because they won't have to do any extra steps like selecting you from the checkout or even navigating to your microsite or personal page on the Pure Romance website. So how are we going to do this? If you can log on to the COO is the first step. And when you're on the landing page, you're going to click My Business. And at My Business, you're going to go down to My Parties and click on it. Once you're at the My Parties page, the next thing you're going to do is click Add a Party. And when you're at the Add a Party page, if you're just making an ongoing virtual party for yourself, that's a code that you can share forever where you'll get the commission. You're going to add yourself as a contact if you haven't already. If this is a party with a virtual hostess that you're doing through a Facebook group or something like that, you're going to search and find her in your existing contacts, or you're going to create a new contact for her. In this example, let's assume I'm just creating a party for myself. So as you can see here, my login is Jane Fabulous. So I would just create one for myself as Jane Fabulous. You have to put in a phone number. So I'm just going to put in a made up one for Jane, but you can put in your real one, and you have to put in an email. So I'm going to save this contact information, and for me, it's saving myself as a contact. And then I'm going to navigate down to this Add Party Information. Here, I'm going to call it Jane's Ongoing Virtual Party. You have to enter the date and time, but it's not going to matter. This link that it will give you will live on forever, so just pick today's date, and time really doesn't matter. Hostess credit doesn't really matter, but I would just zero it out, and this should pull in your normal buying discount. So when you're on this page, you don't need to add any location information. You don't need to add any party notes. You can just navigate down here and click Save. Awesome. So now you can see Jane's Ongoing Virtual Party. It'll give you all the party details here. And the thing that's the most important on this page that you're going to navigate down to is this shopping link section. And what's really cool about this is you can save this little ID from the question mark on, and this will be your unique commission code that you can add to any link on our website. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Depending on where you like to save information, whether it's a Microsoft Word document, a text pad, or Google Docs or something similar, I like to use Google Docs. So I'm just going to go ahead and open one up here, and I'm just going to make a note. My virtual party is the title of it. And then my URL code. And now I'm just going to paste this URL code here so that I always have it and can refer back to it. And now's where the fun starts. So now that you have your unique commission ID, this will tie any link that you share on our website back to you. So that means you can share the Coochie product page or the Body Boost product page or your favorite toy in a virtual party and add this link to the end of the URL. And anyone that clicks on that is always going to get your unique link tied to it. So they'll seamlessly get your commission you'll seamlessly get your commission at checkout, and it's super easy for them. So what we're going to do is walk through how this works. So I'm going to navigate to the Pure Romance website. Let's say that Jane is having a virtual Facebook Live party this weekend, and I'm just going to share some of the our top products. So I'll navigate to the Body Boost page. What I'm going to do is go up to the top and select the Body Boost URL, go back to my doc, and I'm going to add a note, upcoming virtual party links. So I remember, and then I'm going to take this code starting at the question mark, and I'm just going to drop that right onto the end of the Body Boost URL. Great. Next thing I'm going to do is go back and say, you know what? I want to feature Coochie Love Story because it's a top seller for me. I'm going to grab that URL too. I'm going to drop it right down here and do the exact same thing. So I'm going to add a code. Boom. So what's really cool about this is now I can click the link and you're going to see right down here, you are partying with Jane's party. So now that you've seen that your unique ID is tied to that person's session, the cool thing is anybody that clicks on this link, whether you share it on Facebook, you text it to some of your friends or customers, you send it out in an email, anyone that clicks that link is going to have this party ID tied to them and your commission tied to them for 5 days after they click the link in that browser session. So really cool, a super easy way to start driving your e-com business is you're sharing our links and making sure that you get your commission. It's a great way if you're hosting a Facebook Live party to just drop the links of the product you're featuring with your ID already tied to them into the comment section or into a post right underneath your Facebook Live so that anybody that's watching along and shopping along can click these links and you will get your commission. The other really cool thing that you can do, so this is a pro tip, is if you like our content from the Inspire section and you want to start sharing it, you can go in and pick one of our posts and start sharing it in your VIP groups, on your public Facebook and Instagram accounts. Just copy the link and you're going to navigate right back to your virtual party page where you're keeping everything, and then just grab this ID, attach it to the blog post, and voila. Now, voila, anybody that clicks that link to your blog post is already going to have your party affiliated. So now if they read the blog post and decide they want to buy some of our products, you will seamlessly get your e-com commission at checkout. So we hope you enjoy this. We hope you start using it. We really are looking to make this easier for you so that e-com can supplement your party part of your business. It's a great way to follow up with customers from past parties to get them to repurchase online. And this should just make it easier on them and on you by streamlining the process. Thank you very much and have a great rest of your day. And we look forward to growing your e-com businesses together.